Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Stihl FS91R carburetor is probably one of the most essential components for your string trimmer, directly impacting its performance and reliability, and today we're diving deep into what makes a great carburetor for this powerful tool, exploring the nuances that separate the average from the exceptional, and helping you make an informed decision for optimal cutting power and longevity. Number 5. Carburetor Kit 418007-1035 for Stihl. This is a premium carburetor kit designed to replace your old or damaged one. It ensures your equipment runs smoothly and efficiently. This kit is a direct replacement for Stihl part number 4180-007-1035. It's engineered for a perfect fit on a wide range of Stihl tools. It is compatible with numerous Stihl models including the HT, FS, KM, FC, and BT series. This ensures broad applicability for your needs. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a full rebuild. You'll find gaskets, a spark plug, fuel filter, and more for a complete repair. With this kit, you can easily restore your equipment's optimal performance. It's a cost-effective solution to get your tools back in top working condition. All the components in this kit are made from durable materials, ensuring long-lasting reliability. You can count on it to perform under demanding conditions. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for your Stihl equipment. It includes not just the carburetor but also essential components like a spark plug and fuel filter for a full tune-up. If you're looking to restore your trimmer or edger to peak performance with a single purchase, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It was a perfect fit for my FS91R. The carburetor was an exact replacement and worked perfectly right out of the box. Number 4. AUTOKAY 4180-120-0615 carburetor for Stihl trimmers. Upgrade your Stihl trimmer with this premium carburetor. It's designed for optimal performance and durability, ensuring your equipment runs smoothly. This part is engineered to fit a wide range of Stihl models, including the FS89, FS91, FS111 series, as well as HT, FC, and KM series engines. Easily replace your old or faulty carburetor with this direct fit. It matches the original part number 4180-120-0615 for a seamless installation. This package includes not only the carburetor but also a new air filter, screwdriver, oil filter, and spark plug for a complete tune-up. Get your Stihl equipment back to its peak performance. This carburetor will help restore power and efficiency to your trimmer, pruner, or edger. Crafted with quality materials, this carburetor is built to last. You can rely on it for consistent performance through demanding tasks. What we like. This option comes bundled with a crucial air filter, ensuring your engine gets clean air. It's designed for a precise fit with many Stihl models. If you appreciate having the most commonly needed parts together for a straightforward replacement, this carburetor is a great pick. What people say. This carburetor is a direct fit for the Stihl FS91R and works great. It was easy to install and the trimmer started right up after installation. The quality of the carburetor seems good, and it runs smoothly. Number 3. FS90R Carburetor C1Q S174 for Stihl trimmers. Upgrade your equipment with this high-quality carburetor. It's designed as a direct replacement for specific Stihl models, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. This part is engineered to fit a wide range of Stihl trimmers, hedge trimmers, pole pruners, and combi motors. It replaces original part numbers C1Q S174, C1Q S173, C1Q S176, and C1Q S131. Get everything you need for a smooth installation. The package includes the carburetor, primer bulbs, gaskets, adjustment tool, air filter, spark plug, fuel filters, fuel lines, and check valves. Experience improved engine efficiency and power with this new carburetor. It's built for durability and consistent operation, keeping your tools running at their best. Shop with confidence thanks to our excellent after-sales service. Enjoy a 3-month hassle-free return policy for complete peace of mind. What we like. This carburetor is a direct replacement for popular Zama models, offering excellent compatibility across a broad spectrum of Stihl trimmers, edgers, and hedge trimmers. If you're familiar with Zama carburetors or need a reliable option for a variety of Stihl tools, this one is a strong contender. What people say. The Stihl FS91R Carburetor is a direct replacement part that fits perfectly. It comes with all the necessary gaskets and is easy to install. The carburetor provides a consistent fuel flow, ensuring optimal engine performance. Number 2. FS91 Carburetor with Air Filter Kit for Stihl. This is a premium carburetor designed to replace your original part. It's built for durability and optimal performance. It's engineered to fit a wide range of Stihl brush cutters, trimmers, pole pruners, and lawn edgers. Ensure your model is listed for a perfect match. This package comes complete with an air filter kit, ensuring your engine receives clean air. It's everything you need for a comprehensive replacement. This unit directly replaces Stihl part number 4180-120-0615 for the carburetor and 418141-0300 for the air filter. Please carefully review the product images to confirm compatibility before purchasing. We're here to help if you have any questions. You will receive the exact items shown in the product photos. We guarantee the quality and accuracy of what's delivered. What we like. This unit is specifically highlighted for its included air filter kit and direct fitment for popular Stihl brush cutter and trimmer models. If you value clear product images to confirm compatibility and want a package that includes the air filter, this is a solid option to consider. What people say. The Stihl FS91R Carburetor is a direct replacement part that fits perfectly. This carburetor is easy to install and starts up the trimmer quickly. It provides a smooth and consistent idle, improving the overall performance of the trimmer. Number 1. HUZTL Carburetor for Stihl Trimmers. Upgrade your Stihl trimmer with this premium carburetor. It's designed for optimal performance and durability, ensuring your equipment runs smoothly. This part is engineered to fit a range of Stihl models, including FS89, FS91, FS111 series brush cutters. It also suits pole pruners and combi engines. This comprehensive kit comes with a new air filter, ensuring your engine breathes clean air. It also includes a fuel line and spark plug for a complete service. Easily replace your old carburetor with this direct fit part. It matches OEM number 418120-0615, and the air filter replaces number 418141-0300. You'll receive everything needed for a successful replacement: carburetor, air filter, fuel line, spark plug, fuel filters, gaskets, and primer bulbs. Get your Stihl brush cutter, pole pruner, or lawn edger back to its peak performance. This carburetor ensures reliable power and efficient operation. What we like. This package stands out by providing a generous set of accessories, including multiple gaskets and primer bulbs, ensuring you have everything for a thorough installation. If you prefer to have extra parts on hand or are tackling a more involved repair, this comprehensive kit is an excellent choice. What people say. This carburetor is a direct fit for the Stihl FS91R and works great. Easy to install and the trimmer started right up after installation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.